Hey everyone, how you doing? Hope you're all good. And so when I first made this channel, I just wanted to make videos, informational videos about crypto, and just, I'd be happy if just a few people watched them and I was able to give a little bit of information. And I really like crypto. I really like the way that we are sort of seeing it unfold day by day. We're seeing history in the making. There's so many opportunities. There's so many projects popping up all the time, and it's just really difficult to keep on top of it all. It didn't even enter my mind that I'd get 1,000 subscribers, let alone 10,000. I've just passed 10,000 subscribers. So this is a video to say thank you and to do a giveaway. I am truly humbled that people actually like watching my videos. I honestly had no idea that would happen. This has completely taken me by surprise. Thank you to you. I really do mean that. And to celebrate reaching 10,000 subscribers, I've got 300 worth of USDT, which I want to give away to 3 people. So 3 people will receive 100 USDT each. I'll explain how all that works and how you can enter in a tick. But just before then, I also want to mention about my Patreon. I launched that really recently, and I've already got some great Patreons who have joined. And basically, it's for those of you who just want to give back to the channel and just say thanks, or if you want a few extra perks as well, like 24-hour early access to any videos I do, and also any alpha videos that I do, Patreon is the place for that. I'm also going to be launching my own Discord server in the next day or so that's going to be really cool, and that's for Patreons too. So where, we can just hang and chat out and talk about whatever we want to do with crypto. So if you are interested in Patreon and what that is all about and you want to know a little bit more, then the link for that's in the description. Okay, time for the giveaway. So I'm giving $300 of USDT to 3 people. So that's 100 USDT each. And to enter the comp, it's really simple. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. To pick the winners, I'm going to randomly choose a comment using commentpicker.com, and I'm going to reply to the winner's comment with my email. To confirm it's you, I'm going to use 2-factor authentication that I'm only going to talk about with the winner via email. So to sum all that up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, check your notifications. If I reply to you, you're the winner, and we'll go from there. The competition is open now until Saturday, the 26th of March at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's it, my friends. Thank you so much again for subscribing and for viewing. I really am truly grateful to all of you, and let's continue this awesome crypto journey together. Good luck in the giveaway, and until next time, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.